Where do you go to get GRC analyst training? The red team has all their great stuff, the blue team's got a bunch of stuff now, and the GRC analyst people are left wondering, what do I do? I have not found a comprehensive bundled package of education, and because of that, I am excited to announce that I have developed a GRC Analyst course that I am calling the GRC Analyst Master Class. In this course, you will get a cybersecurity primer, so there are no prerequisites about what you already know. Then we'll dive right into the GRC Analyst. We'll cover compliance and audit, governance, risk analysis, and security awareness training. There are not just lectures on material and content, but also labs to walk you through and give you practical skills. I've developed resume bullets for each module that you will be able to copy and paste right into your resume after you've finished each module. And at the very end, I have a module all about how to actually get a GRC analyst job. If you're going to go through all the trouble to get the skills, why not complete it and get the job? I am so happy for this. I want this information to get out there. I want people to improve their situation using this training, getting GRC analyst jobs, and delivering excellence in the cybersecurity community. Go to the links below to get information on the course. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find value. Let's go.